I'm back up here at Upper Sulphur Mountain Road, where I'm going to hike about 5 miles to set one geocache. Hey, if that sounds like about 3.5 minutes of fun to you, come join me. Got about 2.5 miles to walk, so might as well take advantage and just check on a few of my geocaches. Oh yeah, that's there. All in good shape. Down the road. As I check on my hides, you can tell they're really nothing too special. But on April 28th, 2024, I am going to be involved in something a lot bigger. Do you want to know what it is? Watch this.
Hello, Mr. and Mrs. America. This is your old friend, the Tick. My friend Nancy, who had the Pirate Project, told me about a great new worldwide cache hide. A doozy. It's all about superheroes. Isn't that right, Arthur? It's called Operation Superheroes. Not much to confuse there. And on April 28th, you can be part of a superhero awakening of geocaches all over the world. Go to Geocaching Central and follow the link to Operation Superheroes. There'll be full instructions on how to do it. Remember, that's at geocachingcentral.com. And also remember, crime has a bossa nova beat. Leap before you look.
So, doesn't that sound like fun? If it's something you'd like to participate in, go to geocachingcentral.com and learn more. But for now, I'm going down the trail. Under the stinking white rock was a warty pill bottle that my friend Badfeet had hid. When I was up here last time, I verified it was gone, but I didn't have another pill container. I didn't have a container with me. So he has archived it, and I'm going to go ahead and put a similar container, but somewhere just a little bit different so it doesn't get buried like the other one did. So be right back. All right. I set the geocache. That should fill up the last gap. There's on 10 miles of trail, there's not a stinking place to put another stinking geocache. So, great day, beautiful weather, beautiful views. Got a 3-mile hike back. So at this point, I think I'm just going to tell you, hey, thanks for joining me.